These are the Neewer outdoor string lights. I've been really impressed with these so far, so I figure I'd share it with you. Now, I gave you a couple different designs. We've got kind of the flowing pattern coming off of the pergola, and I've got a couple of straight lines just so you can kind of get a better idea of what you're potentially getting. Now, the application is what's really impressive, but what's more impressive is the vibrant colors that are coming out of here. They almost look unreal, how vibrant they really are. Almost tropical is the best way that I can put it. Now, the thing that I really enjoy about the app is it's got what you would call scenes. There are 50 different presets that you can come in here, and they have a couple different tabs: Natural Life Festival, Emotional, and Sport. And you can kind of come in here and change the scenes. Literally at a click of a button, we can go to birthday, then prom, and then Christmas, Halloween, New Year, fireworks. I mean, the sky's the limits. Now, you can also change the color temperature as well. Brightness, we can go from 0 to 10%. Then we'll go to about 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. Now, as far as the color hues go on our CCT, we'll go anywhere between 2,700 on up to 6,500. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with that, that just means this is our warm, and we can bump it up to 3,400, start heading towards that daylight white, right? Here is 4,000. This is what 5,000 looks like. And then we've got 6,000, and then we can bump it all the way up to 6,500. So if you really just want to be out here at night and just kind of have some additional lighting, you can do that. But again, the fun thing for me is you can really come through here and you can change your every single light bulb to whatever color you want. So if you want the color bulb to be purple, you can literally change whatever one you want to be purple. If you want them all purple, but each individual light is customizable, and that's what makes this so much fun. But for a guy like me, I really love the scenes. So I just come through here, and we can choose whichever scene that you can possibly want at a click of a button. So I've showed you the illumination tab, the color, the scenes. They also have an option to play music from your phone. So right now I've just got to go into the sound of the beat of my voice, and it is so cool. And you can actually choose different preset scenes on this, like breathing, energy, meteor, starry sky, and neon. You can move over to the DIY tab, and this is really where you can get into all your creative effects. So you can do color selection, you can add effects. There's just so much that you can do here. They also have an AI bot. So we can talk to the AI bot, and this is how it works. I want a starry night scene, and let's throw in a bit of samba dance. And there you go. It's just that easy. And you can really go in here and define colors and illumination and brightness with the AI bot as well. You can really put them wherever you want. So if you wanted to string them around a pergola like I have them, or if you just had some sort of an arbor that you wanted to put them around, you can do that. Now, I've gotten pretty creative. I've put a couple of hooks here so I can change the design schematics however I want. Biggest thing about these that I can tell you is the amount of customizations that you can get is unreal. I wish I could really just portray this a little bit better, but the color on this, I think my son said it best. It just doesn't look real. It's so vibrant. And so if you're into really vibrant colors, these are absolutely fantastic. Neewer has been around a very long time. If you're on the fence with buying these, don't be.